Morning, welcome back. Club ride today. So the club ride is to Preston and back, but since we're already in Preston, we're going to go from Preston to Garstang, back to Preston and then go home. Hopefully go to a coffee shop too. I've got my technical director, his first club ride. Looking forward to this one. So once the club ride's done, we're then going to go and watch North End. We've got a new manager. So Mr. Lowe has parted ways with Preston North End. Who have we got now?
Paul Heckingbottom. Paul
Heckingbottom. Sounds like a good Yorkshire name, that. I like that. So fingers crossed, it's going to be a good day. But either way, a proper, this way, dad and lad kind of a day. Sorry. Come and have a look. Miles done, about 6 to Garstang. Should be in good time. Hello, pickled goose. Well, that's the A6 done. He coped with that very well. Good cycling, laddo.
Thanks.
So we're in Garstang. Just climbed up this big hill, past the high school, and we're going to be early on the cobbles. It's 9:10. Could have gone slower, Jess.
Oh, that's a shame.
So, almost 9:15. You were flying up there.
I know, it felt very fast.
But it's raining, so we are taking shelter in this here ginnel. We seem very excited because we just unlocked 98 Zidane.
Yeah.
Not sure what that means, but apparently we're excited.
Yeah.
We're excited. Stopped raining. I see cyclists. Shall we go? Can't get these kids off the phones.
What?
I see blue sky. You got a wet bum yet? I have. Lovely sunny day for his first club ride. I'm filming a bit of it. So it's working. Nice wet day. Bless you.
Range one thing, this is more.
So the rain stopped and we're underway again. You alright? You're going to come out again ever, cycling? We're in Woodpumpton. Woodpumpton. To the new Preston bypass, the Ashbridge Nursery. We're going straight on and then down to the Marina Cafe. And onto the gilt wheel. And the sun comes out just as we get to the cafe. Beans. How's that?
Stats. Max speed 23.6 miles an hour. 615 calories burnt.
Hey, well done. How far have we gone?
We've been 2 hours and 15 minutes, 27.43 miles.
Well done.
With an average speed of 12 miles per hour.
Fantastic. Well, the club ride is finished for us because the club ride was from Garstang to Preston to Garstang, and we've gone from Preston to Garstang to Preston. I think that makes some sense. So next up for us is haircut for him, and then we'll go and get ready to go to Deepdale and cheer him on.
Come on, North End!
Come on, North End. We love you, North End. We do. We love you, North End. We do. We love you, North End. We do. North End, we love you.
Yay.
Right, we're on our last leg. So we've done the club ride. We've done the ride to get the new haircut for the new term. It's now just time to go home and get ready for some football. So we'll say thank you for watching.
See you next time.
What he said. See you later.